She called them a mafia for charging her government-approved rates. But what happens when drunk and high tourists get on the roads in Goa, putting the lives of everyone on the road at risk for personal pleasures?
Hey! Django! आता आम्ही पावल्या अंजुना हॅपी बाराकडे जे 4 रस्ते आसा थंयसर आम्ही सद्याक पावलेले आसा हांगासर एक मेजर आणि एक फटल एक्सिडंट सद्याक जाल्लो आसा हो जो मेजर एक्सिडंट जाला हो जाला 2 फोर व्हिलर गाडयां मदीं एक जी आसा ही थार आसा आणि दुसरी आसा पळय ती i20 आसा अशी इन्फॉर्मेशन आमकां सद्याक मेळ्ळा की रेड कलराची जी
ओय क्या कर रहा है? हेलो ये बाइक थी ये भाई वो नंबर
Today at MQM 24/7, we break the travel war happening in Goa. Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. The South Goa Taxi Association has had enough of the cancel culture, and they have now filed an official defamation complaint against influencer Rupali Dixit for making false accusations.
तुमकां मिडियाक पयलो थँक्यू म्हणटा कित्याक तुमी आयज आमचे सगळे न्यूज आसता जे इम्पॉर्टन्स आसता जी मेसेज वचपाची आसता ती तुमी आयज फुडें पावयता आनी तुमकां देव बरें करूं तेच भाशेन आयज हांव वास्को पुलीस स्टेशन आयज आमची आख्खे साऊथ गोवा जावं साऊथ गोवा टुरिस्ट टॅक्सी एसोसिएशन ओनर्स आयज हिंगा वास्को पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर येयले कित्याक कांय दीस पयलीं एक रील व्हायरल जालो की एक इन्फ्लुएन्सर येयले आनी तेणें रील काडलो की आपल्याक 10,000 चार्ज केले म्हणून गोंया फ्रॉम दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट टू वन एंड टू सेकंड एंड ऑफ द गोवा पूण हांव सांगूंक सोदता की आयज ते वन एंड टू सेकंड एंड ऑफ द गोवा वचोंक ना ते आउटसायड गोवा गेला आनी जो टॅक्सीकारान ताका 10,000 ची रेट सांगल्या हांव सांगता आनी आमी सगळे आख्खे गोंयचे लोक सांगता टॅक्सीकार भाव की रेट सारकी सांगल्या कित्याक एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट गॅजेट रेट जी आहा टॅक्सीकारांची गव्हर्मेंट गॅजेट रेट तेजी रेट तर करून गेल्या 6,000 तेजी रेट जाता हाली किलोमिटर्सांची किलोमिटर कित्याक अप एंड डावन 300 किलोमिटर्स जाता तेन्ना नायट चार्ज आहा नायट चार्ज ते व्हिडिओचे तर पळयता ते मिड नायट ट्रॅव्हलिंग केला आणि तो टॅक्स तर धरी तू ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 बसता पूण आयज आमच्या टॅक्सीकार भावान जो ताका ट्रॅव्हलिंग केलो तो व्हेकल नंबर GA06T5940 ही व्हेकल ताका घेवन ट्रॅव्हलिंग केली फ्रॉम गोवा टू मालवण अदर स्टेट नेबरिंग स्टेट ऑफ गोवा थिंगा ताका येल्ले तेजेर ताका 5,500 चार्ज केल्या लेस दॅन द गव्हर्मेंट गॅजेटेड रेट आणि तरी पण त्याने आज आमचेर आरोप घातले गोंयकारांचेर जे नीज गोंयकार जे आज पयल्यार कोता जे आपल्या स्वताच्या पांयाचेर उबे आहा ते गोंयकार भाव आमचे तेंचेर आज आरोप घातली की ओव्हरचार्ज मागली म्हणून पैसे ओव्हरचार्ज मागोंक ना एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट गॅजेट रेट सांगली पण तेजी काकलूत करून ते चोडू मनीस म्हणून ताका 5,500 घरून पावून त्याने आज आमचे हेजे व्हडले एलिगेशन घातले म्हणून आज वास्को पुलीस स्टेशन आज आमी येयल्ले की आमी आज डिफॉर्मेशन केसूय केल्या तेजेर की तेणे रिप्लाय दिवचो तेणे आमचेर फॉल्स एलिगेशन कित्याक घातला काय म्हणून आणि हांव तशेंच दुसरे इन्फ्लुएन्सर और दुसरे जे गोंयकार लोक the tourists which are coming down to Goa, is a straight message for y'all. Please don't do the wrong reels for the Goans because it's a bread and butter and we are surviving on this and we have the only one source of income is the taxi driver and it's our traditional business since from a longer time. This is the third generation with the business is going on and we are handling this tourism in a nice way, in a proper way. And I respect the tourists which are coming down to Goa. Not only me, all the people of Goa, the tourism stakeholders are respectively telling and please don't do the false reels and don't spoil the name of the Goa. Thank you very much.
As per the complaint filed at the Vasco police station, Rupali Dixit hired a taxi from Dabolim Airport all the way till Malwan for a pre-agreed upon rate of 5,500 rupees. But just for online clout, the influencer has lied about an extortion from the taxi drivers of rupees 10,000. This is not just a review. This is sabotaging somebody's career, somebody's entire livelihood. Over 30,000 families depend upon the livelihood of taxis. By labeling the taxi drivers of Goa mafia, taxi mafia, you are endangering their lives. The tourists are ready to pay anywhere between 500 to 800 for an 80 rupees beer bottle. Entry charges that just do not exist. But you are not ready to pay for a government-approved, transparent, reliable transport model. When you enter any such property for your party vibes, for your happy high, and then leave the property and then opt self-drive rental vehicle, you end up endangering the lives of everyone on the roads. Even Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has stated in the assembly that tourists driving their own or rental vehicles have caused majority of the accidents in the state. When you hire a local Goan taxi driver, you don't just get a driver driving the vehicle, you get a local guide, someone who will give you non-promotional ideas of where to go, when to go, and how to go, without any vested interest, without any personal profits. you will get knowledge on exactly which venue is safe to visit and which venue is not, and how to get best entry at which prime locations. That hidden gem that you see on your favorite influencers page, that is not really hidden. It's the most basic point. If you want to know the real hidden gems of Goa, ask your local taxi driver. He or she will take you to that exact hidden gem where you can have your peace and quiet, your good times, your happy vibes. It's time to go vocal for local. It's time to put your safety as the priority. Is this taxi fare not worth your entire life? That's something that we leave you to decide upon. Goa has had enough with this cancel culture, with this online defamation of the local culture, of the local livelihoods. All tourists are welcome as long as you stay safe and keep everybody enjoying Goa safe and sound. Jai Bharat, Jai Innovation.